I really liked the sun. When I was a kid was fun, playing with my friends around until the sun went down. But now it really takes the piss. I'm telling you now what it is. I am feeling really sweaty and it's getting on my tits. We've been living in all sorts of rainy crap, but now the sun is here, we don't know how to deal with that. Not just simple sunshine with just a little heat. We're talking hot temperatures, not even with a breeze. I'm feeling boiling now. Can't stand the heat wave. I can't go out my house. My fan is broken from too much using it, and now I'm melting. I cannot deal with this. Yesterday I went outside, there wasn't a cloud inside. Didn't even make it down the road before the sweat came through. It wasn't the initial plan. I put on loads of deodorant, but still my body had me sweating from my head down to my shoes. We've been living in all sorts of rainy crap, but now the sun is here, we don't know how to deal with that. Not just simple sunshine with just a little heat. We're talking hot temperatures, not even with a breeze. I'm feeling boiling now. Can't stand the heat wave. I can't go out my house. My fan is broken from too much using it, and now I'm melting. I cannot deal with this.